How to get those pesky leaves off the bottom of the pool.
Have you ever had this problem? Your leaves and debris are all over the bottom of the pool. Well, all you gotta do, get your basket down to the bottom. You see how the leaves are already starting to move around? All you gotta do is just give it a little like pushing the water towards it, kind of pull up on the basket, and then that gets those leaves kind of moving up there, just like that. That's good. Now I come back. Just go nice and slow down here. Kind of like sweep it up. And remember, leaves are always coming back towards you as you're going in one direction. As long as you go nice and slow, they'll come right back towards you. So, try this at home.